get mosquito bites. My wife complains about it bitterly. In Dallas, we have mosquitoes. I'm up here in Colorado right now, and there's lesser degrees of mosquitoes here, but the whole country is plagued by mosquitoes by and large. They carry diseases like malaria, yellow fever, dengue fever, West Nile virus, which we have in Dallas. And the direction of this mosquito vaccine research is not directed at the mosquitoes themselves. So if the mosquitoes were made more benign, that would be terrific. But the direction has been to actually alter the diseases that they carry. And then once that disease is genetically altered, the mosquitoes act like a vaccine syringe and then inject that modified parasite, in the case of malaria, into the human body.
Wow. All right. So the big question is this good? Is this bad? Is it nefarious? Can it be used both ways? And then anytime you start mentioning Bill Gates, and it seems like he is hot on this, we know how hot he is on all the vaccinations, it really starts getting the hairs standing up on the back of my neck. So what is Bill Gates doing here? Should we be concerned about this?
Well, Gates is a funder of many of the universities that are doing this research. So in the November 2024 issue of New England Journal of Medicine, a paper from University of Leiden in the Netherlands took normal human volunteers, and they genetically manipulated the malaria parasite, the falciparum parasite, that's in an active liver replication phase. And then they injected it into mosquitoes. The mosquitoes then were raised up. And then the volunteers, listen to this, Grant, the volunteers had to allow themselves to get 50 mosquito bites, 50, 3 different times, to be vaccinated against malaria. And then it looked like it was only partial protection in one of the 2 treatment arms, and there was a placebo arm. It's very small, at 9, 8, and 2, 3 people in each group. But the current malaria vaccines that are injected are very ineffective. The Mosquitox and the R21 vaccines that are used right now, which are what's called sporozoite vaccines, are only 50 to 80% effective. You have to get an annual shot. And McCullough Foundation has reported that the R21 vaccine was linked to that disease X outbreak in the Democratic Republic of the Congo just a month ago. A bunch of people started dying, and it turned out it wasn't a new disease at all. It was just malaria associated with this R21 vaccine. So remember, vaccines can backfire and make diseases more deadly.
As we've seen,